Meet the world leader in high-performance laser systems for metalworking, Alpha Laser. Their lasers are perfect for welding, cladding, and hardening in the most demanding applications. Alpha lasers are recognized as the most advanced lasers for metalworking in the world. What happens when the most advanced metalworking lasers in the world come with the best training and support in the industry? You get unparalleled customer satisfaction. Every laser sold by Alpha comes with a custom training package tailored to your specific application. Customer support is available anytime, day or night. If on-site support is needed, it's there the next day. No excuses. 3 key features set Alpha lasers apart from the competition. First, the Alpha lasers have the unique ability to work complex angles and geometries without loosening any bolts or adding adapters. No additional setup time required. Second, experienced laser welders consistently report that the Alpha laser is the most comfortable and easy to use of any laser welder on the market today. Finally, Alpha lasers are like racehorses. They're fast, very fast. Alpha's speed and power doesn't hinder its ability to do the finest, most delicate details. It can weld with wire as small as 0.003 of an inch, the diameter of a human hair. For sheet metal and components large and small, the low heat input with Alpha lasers is a major advantage. Distortion is reduced. Extensive rework is no longer necessary. In toolmaking and molding, Alpha lasers' precise, distortion-free welds can make injection molding, punching, and forming tools new again. The smallest features can be quickly repaired. Laser hardening is localized heat treating. It is used extensively in manufacturing applications because it's flexible, controllable, and can be automated. No additional heat treatment is necessary. The Alpha Laser series of mobile welders can repair your large tool in place on the production machine, getting you back in action fast. Alpha Laser systems are used in mechanical engineering applications to repair cam and crankshafts, compressor rotors, and turbine rotors, as well as housing repairs. Alpha lasers are used for deposition, cladding with powder, and joining dissimilar metals. In metal castings, pores, cavities, leaks, or cracks are common defects. With an Alpha laser, the repair process can take seconds. In all industries, including automotive, aerospace, energy, and more, mobile laser welding is fast for reworking worn or damaged components. Defective soldering and welding seams are easily repaired. Portability and fast setup time reduce disruptions to the workflow. Alpha Laser systems are exactly what you need. Mobile, powerful, precise, durable, flexible, and easy to use for welding, cladding, and hardening, and a wide variety of metalworking applications. When you're looking for the best metalworking laser on the market, choose Alpha Laser. You will not be disappointed. Come visit us for a demo. Give us a call today at 814-336-9000.